Did you know the hardest thing a warrior can face is not an enemy, but an empty morning with no orders to follow? He sits at the edge of the training ground. The sun is barely up. His hands rest on his knees, still and ready. He has earned this rest. His master gave it to him before passing. Weeks of silence, no schedule, no command. And yet he cannot move. Not because he is weak, because he is too trained. Every muscle waits for a word that will never come. He reaches for his sword and stops. He breathes in and holds it. He looks at the open field and feels nothing but a quiet, hollow waiting. Then it lands, slowly, like a stone dropping into still water. He had mastered obedience so completely that he forgot how to choose. The training was supposed to build him, but somewhere along the way, it had replaced him. True discipline does not wait for permission. It learns, eventually, to give its own. Follow Silent Resolve for more anime life lessons.